Hi, my name is Arantxa Cebrian Silla. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the Alvarez-Buylla lab in the stem cell building, and I work studying adult neural stem cells in the brain. We are focused on the study of neural stem cells in the adult brain, and specifically my project focuses on the identification of a novel subpopulation of stem cells. We denominate them like B2 cells. And the interesting thing is these cells act as a relay to maintain adult neurogenesis over the life of the animal. And this project I think is very exciting. One, because this population hasn't been studied before, so we are identifying these stem cells and trying to see their function and how they behave. And also something that I focus mostly my research on basic research in mice, but we are working right now in a parallel project with a collaborator that we are working in humans, trying to understand this exact same stem cell population in the brain of like early postnatal humans that it will be between like newborn and 3 years old. So it seems like these cells are there, and the understanding of this population in mouse can be very relevant to understand how the child stem cells behave during these early stages. And also these cells are linked to some of possible glioblastoma. So they can be also very interesting for the understanding the origin of the glioblastoma.